Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert multiple rows of table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs tab. Then go to the insert menu, go to the table, uh, insert a table, single on by one table. Then firstly click on the table or click right on your mouse, then click insert row above. Again click right on your mouse and you can insert multiple rows. Here you can see insert multiple row of table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.